Welcome to Sarasa Sweetate Suratan School. Good day, students. It's Teacher Joy. Today, I'll be teaching mathematics in KG3. To start our lesson, let's review the last topic, the counting by twos. Counting by twos is sometimes called skip counting because every other number or count is skipped. Each count is two more than the previous count. Counting by twos is called skip counting. Here, the each number is two more than the previous number. In counting by twos, sometimes we get all odd numbers and sometimes all even numbers. It depends on the first number. If the first number is odd, then counting by twos we will get all odd numbers. If the first number is even, then counting by twos we will get all even numbers. Now, let's learn about even numbers and odd numbers. Now, let's help discover in knowing even and odd. So what is the key that we're looking for that will tell us if the number is even or if the numbers are odd? Even number can be grouped by 2. An odd number cannot be evenly grouped by 2. Now, here is the easiest way to do. We're looking for the number 2 cannot be put in a group of 2. Yes, because it's the number 2. We got 2 dinosaurs that makes 2 even. Now, this is odd. Is dinosaur alone? He is not in a group of 2. This makes the number 1 an odd number. Let's look back at the number 2. See what's neat about this, that this an even group of 2. I mean the dinosaurs has a friend, so it's an even number. Here we have 3 dinosaurs. Now, can we put the number 3 in even groups of 2? Oh no, because the third dinosaur is all alone. The top 2 dinosaurs have somebody. 3 is odd. Here we have 4 dinosaurs. Now we're looking for groups of the number 2. Now we have 2 groups of 2 here. So that means it's an even number. Now look at these 5 dinosaurs. Look at 1 on the bottom. It doesn't have a friend. So 5 is an odd number. Here, there are 2 sneaky tricks that we can use in even and odd numbers. So this first trick is that all of the numbers alternate from odd to even on back. Now I'm gonna show you what that means and what that looks like. Here we have the first 2 numbers, numbers 1 through 10. And the trick was that all of the numbers alternate from odd to even and back. Do you remember if number 1 is odd or even? Yes, number 1 is odd because 1 is all by himself. So number 2 is, you can tell me, even. Yes, now if it's alternate, so which one is number 3? odd or even? It's odd. Now, if 3 is odd, that means 4 is even. Good job. So, if 4 is even, that means 5 is odd. And if 5 is odd, 6 is even. And if 6 is even, that means 7 is odd. And if 7 is odd, that means that 8 is, come on, what's the pattern? It's even. So if 8 is even, 9 is odd. And if 9 is odd, that means 10 is even. So you can notice all of the numbers, the pattern are alternate. So it's odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So here is the second trick. With numbers bigger than 10, it's odd or even, you can see on the end. To demonstrate, let's play a game.
Then we're going to look at a number that's bigger than 10. We're going to look on the end to see if it's even or if it's odd. Our first one is number 21. Is it odd or is it even? It's odd. How? Why? Well, we look on the end. The end is a 1. A 1 is odd. It's all by itself. A 1 is odd, so 21 is odd because 1 is the ending. Did you know that means 71 is odd, and 101 is odd, and 131 is odd, and the number 1001 is odd? Why? They all end in 1. Let's try this one, the number 32. Is it odd or is it even? 32 is even. Well, how do we know? Because of the ending. Look at the ending. It's the number 2. 2 is an even number because it's a group of 2. It can be put in groups of 2 because it is 2. The same rule applies. This is the second trick. With numbers bigger than 10, if it's odd or even, you can see on the end every single number that you can think of that ends in 2 is an even number. Let's try one that's a little more tricky. Let's try the number 100. Is 100 odd or is it even? 100 is even. It's even, and we know that because of the ending. It ends in a 0. Now remember, second trick. With numbers bigger than 10, if it's odd or even, you can see on the end, and the ending is a 0, and every number that ends in 0 is even. Let's look at the chart again.
Even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers. I saw 4 hermit crabs and 6 tropical fish. Even numbers of crabs and fish I saw at the beach. You saw 3 beautiful flowers
Great job, students! Hope you learned on this video. Thank you for watching.